Yo, 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 it's your boy PA from the Shop Collective, and you are seeing in front of you my 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's a car that is a backbone of the channel, but it is not really seen as much screen time, and some of the things I've done with this car has been in the background, but I have been making strides and bringing it to the forefront with everything that I've done, and everything that I have done has kind of went by the wayside, at least I thought, until today. Today we do something different. Today we do a review on a product that is going to help me not only bring this car back, but bring this car back with a bang. You heard that right. Bring it back with a bang. Monte Carlo all summer 2025 is the goal, and they're going to help me do that. You might be wondering why, and you might be wondering what it is. Today we use the company Salty Captain. Salty Captain is a detail company that has a plethora of products on their website and in their lineup, but I'm using their detailing kit, and it's going to help me bring this car back to its former glory and bring back that shine. I'm going to be using my helper to help me out a little bit, or probably just micromanage me, but let's get right into it. We've got the products here laid out. We've got those microfibers, we've got the wash kit, we got the wash mitt, we've got the tire applicator, we've got the foam cannon, and yeah, towels. So here's everything. It comes all bottled up, and you got your sprayers on the side. This Captain's Musket is a nice foam cannon, and it also is like a little pressure washer. Here's how you put it together. I will link a video on how you put it together from their website down below as well, but pretty simple, and it has O-rings, quick disconnect, which is amazing. Here's a little test and see how far it shoots out. Some more dirt and grime just to show you the befores, and you're gonna love the afters of this. Fill up the buckets. Make sure you have Crocs. That's the number one thing you need for this product, Crocs. Put a little soap in the bucket. Make sure you got some good foam in there. I like to start off with a nice pre-wash, pre-soak of everything, and then move over to a nice little wipe down of everything. Wash that off, wipe down everything again, and then do a final rinse. So here's the first little pass with it, showing him how to wash a car. Make sure you go left to right, not circles, wax on, wax off, like Mr. Miyagi. Nope, go straight left to right, so that way you don't have scratches in your paint. And this foam cannon definitely put down a good amount of suds. I definitely like it for sure. You can add more or less. I didn't want it to go too crazy because it was hot out, and this grease attack knocked out the grease on these wheels, the dirt and grime off these wheels. That soft bristle brush was amazing. Didn't mess up the wheels at all. Rinse it off and boom, good as new. Look at that. Look at that shine. Come on now. And that's from one wheel, maybe a couple seconds. So I've washed the car twice now. Here's that second rinse that I was talking about. There you go. Foam it down one more time. Wipe everything that third time, and then rinse it all back off. This drying mitt was amazing. It didn't cling on like I thought it would, but man, it sheeted water off so nice. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy PA from the Shop Collective, and today we got a special review. We got something near and dear to my heart. We have teamed up with the Salty Captain over in Australia. That's right, Australia. Salty Captain, detailing products. It is April, so that means it's detailing season over here in Florida. It's also car show central, car meet central. Tampa is booming with cars right now. old schools, JDMs, Euros, you name it. And I've kind of got a little bit of all of that here at the house. So when we're not only performing the part, we got to look the part as well. Salty Captain and their detailing products definitely helped step my game up. I am usually not far removed from Chemical Guy stuff. I've used them for a long time. I've kind of stayed with it. It's stayed true to me. Most car people, they do that. You know, you find your brand, you stay with them. But when Salty Captain reached out to me, I was like, all right, you know what? I'll give it a try. See, couldn't hurt anything. And I definitely will admit that I was amazed in the quality and the array of stuff and the quickness in which it got to me. So, sorry, of course we're outside, so you're gonna hear some cars. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some of this stuff. So first thing, the musket. And that is this right here. This thing sprays something serious when it is on the jet mode, which this is the jet nozzle. And something I really love about the musket is detachable. Sick. So this sprays pretty far, and you've got like a clicking action, which kind of lets you know which section you're in, which is nice. And also another thing is if you have like a quick disconnect water faucet or water hose, sorry, this part will go for the quick disconnect. If you don't have a quick disconnect, you just take this adapter out and you put your water hose in right here. So that's pretty sick. I put this back on because there's an O-ring in there and I don't want that O-ring to fall out. But yeah, this is the Captain's musket right here. And then this is the jet nozzle on it. This is the foaming nozzle, which this lays down a pretty good amount of foam. You definitely want to make sure you have a good amount of foam, good lubrication on the car. And this helps you with that. Of course, this is nothing special. This is just, you know, your soap, where you put your soap in at. And of course, it goes in down here. Water mixes with it, agitates, and boom, you get your sudsy mix. But like I said, a good amount of soap to water ratio is ideal. So I used their car wash and it foamed up pretty nicely and actually had a great smell to it. That is something that, like, some companies, they have like good soaps, but it like reeks or it's like super strong. This had a good smell to it, had a good foam up, had a good sud pattern. I really love this a lot. I used this grease tack on the wheels because my wheels were nasty on the Monte Carlo because I haven't washed the thing in like a year. So this knocked it off, no problem. What we're about to use is their glass cleaner and their tire shine. This is pretty nice because I've mainly used like the foam one and it gets it too dark, stuff like that. But I've seen a couple photos of what this can do. And of course, we're gonna do it too. But I'm excited to use this and excited to use this as well. And then their interior cleaner, I'm gonna use this. I'm also gonna try it on the vinyl top to kind of see what it can do. I mean, I know it's for interior, so I'll at least clean it and then I'll put like VRP on the vinyl top so that way it gives it that shine and locks in that moisture. Comes with a tire applicator, which is nice because in most places you have to buy this separate. And I also love their bag for their microfibers. This is sick right here. Like, it also tells you like which one is for what. Sorry, it's really windy. Red's for your interior and fabric, gray is for your body and paint, brown is for your wheels and tires, purple is for your glass and mirrors, and green is for your dashboard and console. Nice heavy duty package that all the towels came in, and yeah, pretty dope. Also behind me, something that they have, and I wasn't gonna show it, but freak it, I'll go get it.
Many months later.
All right, real quickly. So this wind is killing me. They've got the wheel cleaner brush. This is really soft and it helped agitate and get a lot of that dust, dirt, and grime off of the wheels. I've got polished lips on that car and I was definitely afraid to use this. Did it in a little test spot and it came up no problem. Nice. Got, of of course, the tire cleaner, tire brush, standard tire brush. No real difference, but it also worked greatly. Something I really love on both brushes, they have that, like, that's nice branding. Got our wash mitt, standard wash mitt. It comes with 2 of these dirt guards. So of course, if you don't know what they are, you put your water in here, you got your mitt. I always rub against the dirt guard when I'm dunking it, get that rocks, dirt, debris, all that off the mitt, and bring it up. So that's nice as well. Something even better, 2 buckets, dose, amazing. Not too heavy duty at all, but they work great, especially in this application. They've also got their Salty Captain branding on those as well. I'm starting to fall in love with this branding. It's pretty dope. We got the drying towel, and this drying towel, at first it did not like adhere to the car, so I was a little afraid because I'm used to the chemical guys one. Usually, like, when you put it on there, it almost clings to it. But once I kind of sheeted the water off, it did it no problem, and it soaked up a lot of water. And so I was pretty impressed with this drying towel. It worked great, and it's pretty lightweight. It's not super heavy, so that is also something different as well. And last but not least, something that I think is the most important about all of this, we've got a cap. Like, most companies don't come with a cap for their buckets. This is awesome. It's something small, and I think that's why they don't add it, but this is attention to detail right here. Attention to detail. But yeah, that is all that came with my Salty Captain wash kit. And if you use my promo code down at the bottom, you'll be able to get 15%, 15% off. What are you waiting for? I think right now they're running a sale. I'm not sure how long the sale is, but all I know is my code gets you 15%. Everyone wants to save some money, you know what I mean? It's tax season, it's tax time. Go ahead and get your car looking good and also smelling good. So when you go to those car meets, you're ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this part up, and we're gonna go ahead and throw on this tire cleaner, glass cleaner, and have the Monte Carlo looking great for a cruise-in tonight, where we're gonna go get some ice cream, kind of chill, hang out, cool vibes, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Salty Captain. Thanks for reaching out to me. You guys have some amazing products here. Hopefully everyone swarms their page and goes and gets some of this stuff. This is amazing products. I try to keep it as real and as honest as possible, and this bar for bar definitely holds up to some of the competitors, competition, some of the other brands out there. It holds up great. And something small that I also like is these red little caps right here. I like the fact that they go in the bottle there, so it kind of like plugs things up and then you put the top on, the cap on. So once again, Salty Captain, it's your boy PA, Shop Collective. Check them out. Also check out the podcast. Check out the website, theshopxpa.com, for some merch like this hat right here. And see y'all next time. Peace. All right, so we've used the glass cleaner. We've used the tire shine. And this is the end result. Glass looks amazing. Chrome is popping. Look at that lip. Come on, dude. And here's kind of before and after. I did a nice little line so you can see the tire shine. It's not too shiny after it kind of flashes, which I like more satin. So I got to do the top, but that was what it looked like before, after tire shine. Paint is popping. Here's the other side. Look at that. Making these AMRs look amazing. He even got to clean into the wheel wells a little bit too. Amazing product. Making these Blackhawk tires and these AMR wheels look fantastic. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Once again, Salty Captain. Definitely check their stuff out. Use my promo code. Get yourself some monies off. It's tax season. Take care of your car, man. The car takes care of you. Make sure that you're in it looking good, feeling good, smelling good. Hopefully the car will ride good. But your boy PA from the Cafe Moto Podcast, the Shop Collective, and the Shop XPA. Check out the merch, theshopxpa.com. And till next time, see y'all. Peace.